Now that it's spring, there are a lot of different things you can find, like eggs, bunnies, chicks, different things we might see in the spring. So you might have gone on an Easter egg hunt this week, or you may have just seen some plastic eggs in the store. And if you have some of those at home, you can use those to make a fun rhyming activity. So if you have these eggs, if you have candy in them or toys, you can take them out, but you're going to separate the two pieces. And you're going to need a Sharpie, so your mom or dad can help you do this activity. And I'm going to show you one that I've done. So on the smaller part, you're going to write the ending sounds. Think of our Dr. Seuss words, and they have the same ending sound, and that's what makes the rhyming word. So we're trying to find different words that have the same ending sound. So on the other side of my egg, I wrote different letters all the way around. So what I can do, I have the word hat, so H-A-T, hat. And then I can just turn my egg and I can make a new word every time I stop on a new letter. Mat, rat, sat. So all of these words rhyme because they have the same ending sound at. So I have that egg that I did. I also did one with app. So same thing. Cap, gap, lap, map. Now I only wrote one ending sound on the shorter part because even though it is Sharpie, if you put your hands on it, it will rub off. So I just did one on the smaller side because I have more room on the bigger side to write more letters all the way around because I don't actually have to touch them. Okay. So I went through and I made several eggs that have word families. I have the an family, the at, the app, the n. So words like den, hen, men, pen, ten. And then I added a few capital letters or uppercase letters to this egg because if I have B-E-N, Ben, it's a person's name. Jen is a person's name. Ken is a person's name. So you can make uppercase letters if you think it's going to spell a name. So I have all my eggs that I made with the different rhyming sounds. And you can also, if you want, you can separate your egg and mix up the colors so that you have the different letters. And let me show you what's going to happen when you do that. This has the sound op at the end. So if I change my colors, there may be some nonsense or silly words that aren't real words, but you can still sound them out. So I have op, top, cop, dop. So we know that dop is not a real word, but we can still sound that out. Gop, hop, nop, pop, rop. So you can play with the different different eggs that you have. You can mix them up together, but just know that sometimes you're going to create some silly words or some nonsense words if you mix them together because they're not always going to be a real word. So save your plastic eggs that you have this week, or if you have, if your mom or dad is going to the store, they can grab one, and all you need is plastic eggs and a Sharpie, and you can make some word families and practice your words.